Busted Car Collectors. This is Danny Wild Horse, and I'm going to talk about my 1997 Buick Park Avenue. I'll show you. Yeah, see this here, ladies and gentlemen. I got to fix this right door handle. Oh, my car door opens from the inside. See that? Yeah. The pressure climate works. Okay, my glove compartment still works. Okay. All this electrical stuff works. My cassette tape is still stuck. The CD does work. As you see, my front door works. Still got to get this grill fixed sometime. I've been looking for a grill for the longest time. Yeah. Okay, you see it's stinted because I hit that deer out by Regal Minnesota. Yeah. Still got some deer guts on it. Yeah, it's been getting dirtier lately, you know. It's been getting dirtier. Got a good battery, naphtha. Alright. I gotta open the trunk from the outside because it doesn't work. Lived in the family estate. I got some old license plates from way back in 1928. Bought some stuff. Yeah, the trunk isn't very big. I'll show you how big it is. Yeah, you're not gonna fit too much in this trunk. This is the back seat. You see, it has plenty of room once the seat is taken out. Okay. The inside of the back seat door is open, so you don't need to try that. Yeah, Fisher's Body Shop for New York Mills. He did something to the back door for $50. He must have did 10 cents worth of work. You can see how it's so noisy. This is what my back seat looks like when I put it back on after I took it off. As you see, my car has 269,842 miles. Hope you can see that. Okay. Wipers work. There's a little there. Back the jalopy up a little bit. Whoa. Got to misshift it. Okay. Yeah, car still runs really well. I can go far distances with it. As you see here. I'll show you something quick. My mirror lights work. See that? You can see my ugly mug on here. Whoa! Oh yes, these dim too. See that? These dimmers still work. Left side. I can legally drive on land, so this is private property. This is what my back seat looks like when I put it back on after I took it off. I know my car video is terrible, so I'm gonna do it over again. So if you watch the whole thing,
Congratulations. So this is Randy and see ya.